So guys, our next project is this BMW 8 Series 840i 2020 convertible. It's X-Drive, and let's have a look what we've got damaged here and what we need. So first of all, that alloy wheel is curved, so we will have to repair it. Also change the tire. That alloy wheel definitely can't be repaired, unfortunately, unless you don't have what to do and send it to India. I'm sure they will do it. And the rear diffuser is missing. It's a minor thing. So the back bumper needs to be aligned as well. That alloy will have to be diamond cut. There is a few dents, like a small paint jobs needs to be done. The interior got to be definitely cleaned. It's nice cream interior. What do you think about the BMW's interiors? I think they are amazing. They're doing a good job, especially on this G series. The bonnet got to be replaced, unfortunately. I don't know how this happened, but this the both corners were cut. So unless somebody who doing aluminium repairs, they can repair it, but we're not doing that. We're ordering brand new bonnet from the BMW. Also, one of the reasons why this bonnet is still tilted, because they have the blowers. The blowers, it's called pedestrian protection. Once car hits something with a minor accident, the bonnet tilts up to save the pedestrian. So the pedestrian didn't hit the windscreen. Let's have a look on the bonnet. What happened here? Yeah. Right, so yeah, you can see these blowers. So both blowers goes off once the car gets an accident, and you got to replace them. The best thing is go to the airbag service in Bolton. They have the blowers in stock. They will change it. Worker, come here. Hold my bonnet. I'll ask my worker to hold the bonnet. I don't want to make my hands dirty. Let's have a look under the bumper what we have. So the bumper actually on this BMW is coming very easily. So you just clip it there, and look, and the bumper is off. That's it. So the bumper, we need 2 grills and some of the plastics, like bumper plastics. So that bumper plastic needs to be ordered. That bottom on the tray got to be ordered as well. All the parts we are going to order from the BMW, all the original parts. And also we need the new bumper skin, which we can find it easily on eBay. So the bumper is right there. Behind the bumper we have everything intact, everything is perfect apart from this bracket. Again, this bracket is probably better to order from eBay. Also splash guard, we need to order the new splash guard with the cover and the bottom on the tray. So most likely we need to order that support bar. Not. We will have a look for that in the body shop once everything gets removed, and yeah, let's go to BMW to order some parts. And while we're going to the BMW, our beautiful driver Adam is taking the car to the body shop. So if you're gonna guess the price for the whole repair of this car, BMW 8 Series, you'll get some souvenirs from BMW dealership. got a bonnet for the BMW and we taking it to the body shop.
I need one of them.
Oh shit, I forgot to order them.
Yeah?
Two
Like
of
2
them.
meters of the front, not good. Are we repairing these hinges or getting me new ones? Yeah, they clip back in if you want, or just get me new ones. If they clip back in, I'll clip them back in. See this clip here?
Hey guys, so just picking up the rest of the parts from the BMW and I'm dropping them to a body shop, and let's have a look what we've got there. So we have some bonnet hinges, some under trays, some plastics, splash guard, again under tray, and a rear diffuser as well. I think that's it. That's all the parts we need for the car. All the parts bought from the BMW, all the parts are genuine, and I think this is going to be one of the quickest repair we ever done. And on the background we have the BMW 8 Series somewhere, if you can see. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, so it's going to be out of the body shop tomorrow and ready for sale for you for the summer. Hey guys, so let's go into the body shop to check the progress on the BMW. So we have the rear exhaust tip. Ignore my mess. That's the rear exhaust tip, which is a little bit bent at the exhaust. Looks like the people from Bradford don't really like to be filmed, so they just turn away straight away. This is the cold body shop where we repair all the cars and checking the progress.
Wait a minute,
I got these parts here. All right.
I do, bro.
So this most likely our bumper. We have the bumper repaired. It's been damaged to this corner. Anyone want fancy the ice cream? So yeah, this corner has been damaged. It's totally mint right now. It's nice and clean. Look at that. So it's ready to be painted. We have brand new bonnet. We have bonnet hinges somewhere as well. This is the last two parts we need on a car, and the only one thing we're waiting is for the alloy wheels. As most likely of you commented, you want to see the alloy wheels, you want to see the brand new alloy wheels on a car, so we're going to be buying another set of the alloy wheels. Yeah. So these bonnet hinges are broken after the accident, so as I explained to you before, once this pedestrian protection tubes deploys, it breaks the bonnet hinges as well, so we need to replace these bonnet hinges. Also we need to replace these things which goes into the airbag service afterwards to replace the pedestrian protection as well. So these two things got to be replaced as well because they break as well together with the bonnet hinges. When do you finish the car now? What do you think?
When am I finished? I've just painted them, so the bonnet's going to get lined up. I'm going to blend 2 wings and we'll be painted tomorrow.
How about the back end? Are we putting the back end together?
Don't put me on wanted.
What do you mean wanted?
Listen, back bumper half. Back bumper half.
Yeah.
Front bumper.
Yeah.
2 parking sensors I'm waiting on. Yeah. Just put the shot on.
Two, yeah, 2 front parking sensors.
I'm sorry, where's my hinges?
Somewhere there.
And no point in the car, need them out, swap them over, bro. Tonight I'll get this in there for paint pressing tomorrow morning.
Which bonnet which parking sensors we need?
2 middle ones are 60.
65 is it?
65 or 60?
It's nearly done now. Everything is painted. Just the bumper got to back on our car. What's a beautiful motor.
So finally we had a call from the local body shop saying that the BMW is now ready for collection. So we go in there now to pick it up and see how good the repair is.
Damage? No damage, yeah?
Yeah?
Oh, everything's on. Yeah, everything underneath is on.
Yeah?
Everything's on. Underneath, everything's on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Everything is done.
Do you think the paint isn't... Look how it's, I think it's kind of like... Can you see it from this point? This one is darker than this one. Can you see it?
Yeah, you can. Okay, leave it with me. I know what you mean. Yeah. Leave it with me. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Check the front as well. Yeah, check the front.
The front looks pretty much alright, I think. Like a little bit here, I think.
But let's find that. Let's find that.
Yeah.
That's not right, man.
I think it does like changes color a little bit.
That's plastic in it, that's fine.
Yeah.
If you look here. Yeah, try that. If you look at the top of the bumper,
Yeah.
yeah. It's just that back looks right. Back's not right. That's right, that. 100% that's right. Because what it was, the bumper, we're not taking it. We're not taking it. See what I mean now? We found something, don't take the car, leave it. Because there's no backwards and forwards then, yeah?
Okay.
My fault, I should have pulled that up, but it wasn't sunny this morning, yeah?
Yeah.
So I'll sort that out tomorrow morning, first thing, yeah?
Yeah, no problem.
Is that okay?
What we're gonna do, we're gonna take a video, but accept that.
What
Of
you're
course.
going to do, take everything, leave that, I'll be done in the morning, yeah?
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
I will have it done for about 10 o'clock, I'll do it first thing in the morning.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we came to pick up this BMW. It's now fully repaired. As we can see, the guys have sprayed the bumper. They have sprayed the bonnet as well. The wings, everything looking all nice. You can see there's plenty of glitter inside the paint. Everything shiny and looks OEM. Just looking around the car now to see whether I can spot anything. It's not right, but can't see anything, to be honest with you. I really like the way they put all the little details in place as well. As you can see, all the trims are back in place perfectly. The parking sensors, all the caps and everything. So it's a top job. All the grills here are all in place and everything here. Yeah, I really like the way they did the job. The headlights are aligned properly. Both of the headlights. So yeah, I would rate this 10 out of 10. One thing I did notice is that the guys, they made a little spraying mistake here on this side. It looks a little bit different color. Maybe the paint wasn't enough. So, but I've spoke to the manager. He said they'll get that fixed first thing tomorrow morning. So he also promised us that we could pick it up tomorrow morning around 10 a.m. So hopefully that little thing will get fixed. That's the only issue that I've spotted. Everything else looking all good so far. So yeah. Just that little thing, but they, like I said, they said they'll get that repaired, and everything else is looking good. You know, this side is all good. You know, the front is all good as well. So the one thing I do have to point out is, of course, the alignment. All the gaps and everything is perfect. Is the same on both sides. And whoever is watching our channel, you know, this is one thing, one point for you as well. Whenever you fix any cars and whenever you pick them up from the body shop, the way to find out whether the body shop has done a good job is to look at these alignments, and everything here looks spot on. Yeah. So we just had a phone call from the garage. The guys at the garage said that everything is fine. They've fixed a little mistake. So we are currently on the way to the body shop and let's hope everything is fine. Everything is looking good. The guys fixed what they had to fix. So let's get it loaded and take it to the yard, and then of course inspect it more at the yard.
We're trying to open the convertible roof, which is messing about. Try now. No. I have a big problem, the roof is not opening now.